Sipokuhle Malindi, okay, I was born at Tagabek Hospital. Wow. Up in Cape Town. Khulile lapha eMfuleni. So ngiyazi. Ngifuna kwesisikolo actually. This is my high school. So I went to the school. Primary yami nayo ingapha ya. So like I grew up eMfuleni, ngenza lapha eMfuleni. Inspiration towards the music that I make. Qale apha eMfuleni. Ngiyinto like eMfuleni, yabo. And known as Umeli Malindi, Woman King. Meli Boys. So I want to tell you guys how that song came about, ne? So Umeli Boys actually came in the good dark space, I won't lie. Cause like that's how not this one guys. But rappers, like rapper, like even if ukuthi umculo wakho uya-inspire okanye umculo wakho uya-motivate uba sifuna yonke impumelelo, but bakhona abo baqoma untswemblo mntana. So like ngalamini ndanikuta Dinero ulapha somewhere. So he's been holding me down. Shout out to Dinero. So we went to Dinero and him, Deloitte manager. We went there. Going there ngalo moya wevudo studio uba yohana mdisa. Yafika pha nani ngizoyithatha yonke kule game. Culo nje ngothana nizanga ngodlala igame. So I was like, okay, Umeli Boys. But I use it as an inspiration. So waphuma kanjalo Umeli Boys. Chikwa anthem yami aka Yes.
Yes. So I want us to talk about Uyonke. What is the meaning behind that title? Why did you decide to name it Yonke?
Kule industry, I'm very different. So the way I dress, the things that I like, inspirations and all of that. So I was like, I want to change everything. Yabo ndizele yonke into abathi ndizifumana. Yabo. So that's what it means Uyonke. Bathi ngizayithatha yonke. So it all started kwingqondo sessions ePhilip.
Yonke hayibo konke impumelelo sifuna yonke bonke mabagobe bawuta kwende ngesuvela konke yonke hayibo konke impumelelo sifuna yonke.
The time we recorded le ngoma kutalero ndanyobona umama mesibedlele KDH Khayelitsha Hospital. So I went to see her. She had a heart attack, so and she was in her deathbed that time. Like it's serious, like so. And all that. Then I was like, man, what makes me happy is music. I wanna record something.